Hi, my name is Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to hack your job search. It's not a traditional way where you learn how to some tips about how to connect through LinkedIn, how to improve your profile, or how to write better your resume or your cover letter. No. In fact, in this video, you're going to learn how to spy on your recruiters in 3 easy steps that I'm going to go through them later on in this video. Now, whenever we send a resume, we never really know if someone actually checked this resume, if our application actually succeed, or it was only filtered by an AI. And I'm sure we all been there at some point where we don't really know what's next. Are they going to call us? Did they actually saw our resume? Sometimes when we apply through some platforms, we have some insight. They tell us that your resume was received or it was downloaded. However, a lot of times when you're sending your resume by mail, or if you're applying directly to the company website, you don't really know what happens after you apply. And then all what you do is wait and hope that someone sees your resume and they actually contact you. First, you will learn how to create an online portfolio using Google Sites, which is free for everyone, and all what you need is just a Gmail. Second, you will learn how to open Google Analytics, which is also free and everyone can use it. And it's really simple. I'm gonna show you all the details. Don't worry about anything. Third, you're gonna learn how to link your portfolio to your analytics and get all your insights. Now, after that, all what you need is just to copy your link from your portfolio to your resume. And then whenever someone applies, you won't need to guess anymore. You'll just learn every time someone goes to your website. That means that they actually took the time to check your resume and to actually go check your portfolio. Okay, now let's jump to our computer and let me show you how it's done. So first thing we're gonna do is go to Google, write down Google Sites. We're gonna go to the Sites platform and click on Portfolio. Then when we're here, we can just, as you see, it's very simple. You just add the site documents, name, change the name as you want. I wrote like Samer's Portfolio. And then you have the chance to create. It's just like, as I said, it's very simple. You just drag, write down, add a text box. Here we're writing like, hi, my name is Samer. I'm a marketing expert in Canada. You can change the typography, remove images, add images, whatever you need to do. And you can check on like online portfolios to see ideas. You can upload images from your desktop, from your drive. You can insert text boxes and images. Like you have like a lot of content blocks that you can add. You can get like stock images if needed for your portfolio, or like you can use your own previous jobs to do that. I'm just showing you here some examples. It's very simple. It's very easy. You can change the section. You can, like, whenever you have a new content block, you can change the section, change design. You can create as many blocks as you want. You can also add slides, you can add Google Sheets, you can add the charts, YouTube videos, whatever you need, whatever you want. Most of them, they're supported here in this online portfolio. You can also embed whatever things you need to embed. Here, I'm just writing down my, my location, and you can even change the size so it would be responsive. You can add your contacts, details. You can also, you have the chance to change the theme color. to select different themes, or you can also, if you're a graphic designer or you're good in web design, you can also upload your own theme. But it's very simple, and it's very user friendly, so I believe anyone can use it. You can also add your logo. If you have a logo, you can add a banner image to your portfolio. So it's very easy. It's very responsive. It's for everyone. Everyone can use it. You have basically three elements. Once you create its home and like three landing pages, you have the home, about, project page. And then here I added like interior design, for example. It depends. You can add or remove whatever sections you need. Like can be only one landing page if you want to keep it as simple as it is. And you can go wide and upload as many images, as many videos, as many examples of your previous work. It's all up to you. So that's basically step number one, creating the portfolio. Here I'm going to show you my own portfolio that I created using the Google Sites. And as you can see here, I added the template, images, videos. I even have presentations and a description about me. I added my previous projects and the about page. You can see here, you can check how it looks on the mobile phone, how it looks on the desktop. I believe you should basically prepare your portfolio that fits mostly on desktops. This is where the recruiters are going to be checking your portfolio, usually using their laptops or their PCs. After you finished, you just click publish and your website will be published. You will also have the chance to copy the link like for your custom domain. Here you can see it's sites.google.com/your name. You can make also as many copies as you want. You can navigate, change the layout, do whatever you want here. Now, this is the part that actually takes most of our time by creating our portfolio. Here, the final step is just to go to analytics, get your tracking code to measure, and add it here to your website. Here, as you can see, you can find the tracking info. I have here a demo account on my Google Analytics where I go. Here you go to tracking code. And what you need to do is just copy this tracking ID. Go back to Analytics. Add the Google ID here. And as we can see here, it's on Enable Analytics. And that's it. Now, for example, what we're seeing here, it's actually the report, the snapshot of how many people actually went to my website in the past 28 days. Here you can see from where the clicks are coming. Here you can see 22 from the US, Canada, Finland, France. So there are different people in different countries that are checking my portfolio. Here I can go and check by cities, where are these clicks are coming from, exactly from New York, from different cities. And basically everyone knows the companies that you are applying for. Then you can track if these actual applications are actually being seen. And here you can see also when this everything happened. You can also you can also check the average engagement time. this is the time that the average that recruiters or people that are interested in your portfolio spent on your portfolio website. Here is 17 seconds, which is actually normal because they don't really spend a lot of time checking resumes. So you get all the insights. Here I'm actually going back live to the website, and what you see here is that you have a real-time overview because I'm located in Toronto. So as you can see, it shows me that there's actually someone checking my portfolio right now, which is myself, and it's from a desktop computer. So it gives me all those information. Now, not only you will be actually getting a lot of insights that you usually don't get after you apply for a job, you will then, after doing that, you will also have an online portfolio which is professional, and it will help you increase your chances because recruiters will see actually what they cannot see in your resume, which is actual examples of your previous work. And in addition to that, imagine that after you get a call, you can tell the actual person that's interviewing you that you actually did this trick, and I'm sure he's gonna be impressed on how much you went to actually land this job. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Ciao.